Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I received one of the packets I ordered from Amazon. So I thought why not just open with you guys. So let me see what I have got. So okay, here's my unpackaging knife. It's a new one, I got it from a girl. Okay, so let's see, let's open this. Okay, nice one. And for the safety, let's put this aside. Okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, got it. Okay. Oh, yeah. I got it from the Amazon. It just says a watercolor. And it doesn't have any brand name. It says pretty excellent. That's all that I can see. Okay. And in the back, thank God there's some, they have written in English too. So, there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, anyways, yeah, 36, right? 36 colors. And let's get rid of this. Let's see, once more, I'm gonna open. Let's open this one. Okay. I don't know, I just randomly selected from the Amazon with a good review, with whichever has a good review. Of course, there are some expensive brands, but let me check. Okay, just give me a second here. I'm gonna check how much it cost me. Okay, right here. So yeah, it cost me like $21. Not that cheap, I guess. So this is just a paper box. Get it? Okay. Put this aside, and let's see what's inside. Sorry about the recollection, the ring light. I think the quality, build quality, I think it's not bad. The materials is not bad. I have to see what the colors looks like. Okay, here's some color chart. Everything in, I think it's Chinese. Nothing is in English. My goodness. Oh God. Okay, so my line. Okay. Okay, here's some. You get a color chart. You can mix the colors, and you can keep for the record name and the. Okay, and here we go with the main part. There's a plastic cover here, and then we got the. I think it's all misplaced. I'm sure that the green should have. I don't know. No, come on. I think. Okay. I don't think this should be here, the green one. It should have been a black, as I'm saying in their website. It should be somewhere. It's all, I don't know why it's right in this way. Okay, God. Okay. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, oh God. Okay. Okay, so let me open. Not too sticky. I think it's good. It's version 2. Let me see the black. The yellow green. That's red, yellow green. Let me get that. Yeah, this is how it should be ordered. Line up. I mean, okay. So I can do that. So yellow green. So yellow green is here. It says the yellow green. But that doesn't make any difference. Depends upon. Anyways, you can move and change your color palette. And they have gave this water brush. Let me see. I think it's okay. Not sure. Not so bad. It can work. So yeah, I'll give it a try, and I'll set up all everything to do some test, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so be right back. Okay, well, it took me forever to take all this label and fix everything here, and definitely as in this label and in this box, the name of the color doesn't matches. So I don't know. No? I thought I was trying to arrange everything single thing, but the color written here and the thing here doesn't matter. It doesn't matches. Sorry, it doesn't matches. Okay, so I don't know what to do with this box, and this is. I don't think I should care about this also. So it's they haven't described any color exact names, you know. So I'm not going to keep this also. I'm just going to read off this thing, and I'll be let's test every color as they have given this. This is not a watercolor paper. This is just a thick cardstock board. So first let me try on this one, then I will use the watercolor paper and see. And also I haven't used their watercolor brush they gave us on the box. I'm using my own. So let me try. Okay, from the beginning, and I've got this one, and I've got the tissue paper on my side. So first let's try the white, as white means it's a white. So let's try that one. Then we have some yellow over here. The color, not bad. Whenever you once you go with the at the first, even in the first, you can easily see if the color is good or not. Now the first color looks good. Like that. Okay, let's try all the colors. Okay, one by one. I'm not going with the name they have gone with. I told you that it doesn't match the label they put on the colors, the label they put on the box. It doesn't match. The colors are very weak, not bad for the beginners, right? For the beginners, not doesn't seem so bad. It's good. Let me also try on the on the watercolor paper that I use. That the most thing we need to know. It doesn't work how it blends. Till now, the color seems okay. For this kind of pan set, it's better you use the water brush. So, you know, use this one. Sorry, that's what happens. Now this color. A drop of water. Mix it up. I don't know. I like it. It's not bad. I was scared. You know, you might never know in Amazon when you buy some random brands, from there, and you might never know that it's good or bad until you try. And I was thinking to get some cheap brands, you know, not like Winston Newtons. They are much expensive, you know, expensive. I'm thinking to get some cheap. It is not a cheap brand. It's a wait. It's a $21. That doesn't mean it's a cheap, but at least it's you know. I was looking for yeah, cheap. Sorry, I'm saying that wait, for something I can use it without costing much. Okay, so I was looking for some. So I found this this one on Amazon, and it had a good review. It's not a. It doesn't say it's a professional one. It doesn't say it's a professional. It says it's for the beginners. But I don't think this can be only used for the beginners. It looks good. Color is very rich. The one thing you should understand in watercolor, in every color, not only watercolor, that the color should not get dull when it dries. Okay, when it soaks, some of the color that I have used previously, some of the brands, some of the cheap brands, or some of the that you can get it from the Amazon. Those brands are like when they dry, the color fades. You know, the color fades away. When I'll be using it in a. This is the cardstock. So it's cardstock doesn't take too much of water. So maybe it's looking bright in this one. Okay, I'll try on the watercolor paper also. So we'll see that. Okay, we'll see that. But for now, it didn't look bad. Look at the colors here. This side, yeah, it looks bright. And what they have said, the paper they gave has a glitters too. I don't think you can see it on the screen, and they are a little bit clever. The company is a little clever here. They are doing what they are doing. They are giving some glitter so the color will shine. But the real thing is what you use with the real paper. Okay. So yeah, let's do fast forward. Okay. So you don't have to watch everything. So let's fast forward this, and I will finish this one, and then I will set up with the watercolor paper. Okay, see you. Yeah, so I just finished putting all the colors. It looks good in here. Now let me try. I've got the watercolor sheet. It's 8 by 8 inch, and let me try. Let me use it, and let's see. I'll put this one here. I don't think you guys. It's just for the reference for me. And I'm just using this regular one. I'll be using just a normal regular that I've been using. I wouldn't use anything. Just let's try and let's see. Okay, here we go. I'm just making some kind of skies and trees or some kind of like that. So okay, let's do this. I'm trying to mix every colors as possible. So just want to see how it goes. Okay, I'm trying to use every blues. It's kind of I'm trying to do some kind of sunset, like sunset, more darker on the top. Okay. So a light blue here. I'm doing wet on dry, so I'm not applying any water on my canvas. So as you can see, I'm not using any water. I'm just using directly water paint on the surface. So yeah, that's why I have to apply more water. Okay, so let's use some. Using dry wet on dry is when you make some solid kind of you know, if you're trying to use some objects, then it's I haven't mixed any colors. I'm just going through every colors, like, you know, directly. I'm not using any palette. You can use the palette also, you know. You can use the mix. You can take the colors and you can mix it. Just I want to see if how the colors is working in the canvas. I just want to see. Okay. Just let it flow. The color seems okay for me. Not bad. Okay. Let's do okay. Let it dry. I'm trying to dry it itself, so I'm not using any okay. Okay, then let me finish this one, and then I'll get back to you and say how the color worked. Okay, so be right back. Yeah. Okay, then I just finished it. I have to do more work here, but whatever I did, you know, like the best thing about this color I like this, even it's dry, and if I apply some water and it mixes, you know, it starts comes to, and it does the work. So that's the best part I liked about the color. Yeah, and another one, as you can see, it's still not dry over this side, but wherever it's dry, the color is not faded. Okay, it doesn't fade. So I think I'll be using this color, and with the more I'll do more painting, and yeah, I think it's good. If you're looking for some good product like this, I can put the link. If you want to purchase this one, then I can put the link down below. And yeah, anyways, thank you for your time. Hope you like this video for reviewing the color. Sorry, yeah, the color. And for this one, it's a Myliang. Not bad. It's the only thing is the colors. The level of the colors is not right, and the catalog they given us is all in the Chinese. So that's the only thing. But if you know the color, what good for you, then it doesn't matter. You can pick up any color. You can. The good thing that even the chart, you can also put the name if you're confused, and then you can put the name. You can do that. Okay. So thank you, everyone. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe this my channel, and please give me hit the like button, and please do comment. And I'll see you next time with some new products, new reviews, and some new art details. Okay, so see you then. Take care. Have a wonderful day or night. Okay, bye bye.